Good afternoon. Standard 8, Subject English. Today we learn a passage on that part. Yesterday we learned a part of the lesson. So I give you a passage on this part of the lesson. Question: read the following passage and do the activities. A1 simple factual activity. Choose correct option and rewrite the complete sentence. First sentence: it was first time that Sally was lavished with love, dash her mother by her teacher in bracket. Second, Sally was happy that she wanted dash to chuckle to checker. Third, the teacher told Sally to bring notebooks dash to the class to the teacher's room in bracket. Fourth, by the end of the day, Sally found dash in moving about in her still wet frock. No awkwardness, arrogance in bracket. So, passage number 4, page number 2021. Excitement made my face dash while returning home. A2, complex factual activity. Answer the following. Why did Sally feel like rejoicing a lot? Second question. Why did Sally react this time to the teasing? Third question. What responsibilities did the teacher give Sally? And next question. What great change had come over in Sally's heart? So this is the second A2 question. Next A3, activities based on vocabulary. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective forms. First, joy. Second, count. Third, tear. Fourth, thrill. Fifth, forget. Sixth, care. Now second point, add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. Honor. Second, content. Third, responsible. Fourth, complete. Third point, find words, expressions from the passage which are similar in meaning to. First, filled and increased in size. Second, most important. Third, an uncomfortable feeling. And fourth, magical. So, these are 4 words here. Now, A4, activity based on constitutional grammar. First, remembering the teacher's words, comma, I turn my back to them. Begin the sentence with I, dash, and rewrite the sentence. So, second sentence, I rushed enthusiastically and completed the assigned job in a jiffy. Beginning the sentence with rushing and rewrite it. So, next question, A5, personal responses. Why should a teacher build a good rapport with her students? So these are 5 questions based on this passage. You solve in your notebook as well as in your workbook also, and complete it and read it by heartily again and again. Try to read the English sentences, English passages also.